Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine, and for today's video, I will be sharing with you how I prep my nails for soft gel extensions, and you can also use this for polygel and gel polish application. First, I apply a cuticle softener or cuticle remover. I don't always use a cuticle softener. I only apply this whenever I feel like I have really thick excess skin around my cuticles. Now, using a cuticle pusher, I will push back my cuticles. I will also use the cuticle pusher to scrape off any excess skin around my nail plate. And then afterwards, I'm going to clean everything using a stiff brush. Taking my cuticle bit and my nail drill, I will be using this to remove any excess skin around my nail plate. This will also help us to lift the skin around the cuticles, which we are going to be removing or trimming later on. I highly recommend this nail drill bit because it really removes any stubborn excess skin around the nail plate, and it's also very gentle. Whenever I prep my nails, I always have a small nail brush on my pinky just so I can brush off any dust from time to time and I can see what I'm doing while prepping my nails. Next, I will be using my diamond flame bit, and I will use this to further lift the excess skin around my cuticles so that it is much easier for me to remove all this excess skin using a cuticle nipper. If you guys can see, I'm mainly focusing this nail drill bit around my cuticles or my skin. Since we've already removed any excess skin around the nail plate using the previous nail drill bit, this one is more focused on the skin to lift them up for easier trimming afterwards. Here comes my favorite part, which is using a cuticle nipper to trim off any excess skin or dead skin. This will create a more cleaner look on your nails afterwards, and at the same time, this will help to lessen the chances of lifting. I know that some of you guys out there are not a huge fan of trimming off their cuticles. That's totally okay. I highly suggest that you just go ahead and push back your cuticles and make sure there are no excess skin around the nail plate. So this is how it looks like after removing the excess skin, and right now I will be using my ball bit, and this will create a sealed look for my cuticles. Removing any dust using a nail brush, and right now I will be trimming the excess length of my natural nails. This step is optional. I know a lot of people don't like removing the length of their natural nails, but I like doing this to create a cleaner look, especially underneath my soft gel extensions. After using a nail cutter, I will be using a nail file. This is a 180 grit nail file, and I will be using this to refine the edges of my natural nails. After that, I will be taking a nail buffer and I will be removing the natural shine of my nails, and this will also add a little bit of texture so that the nail products that we're going to put on top will have a better adhesion. Always be careful not to overfile your natural nails when doing this step. removing any dust again using a stiff nail brush. And this is how it looks like after buffing my nails. As you guys can see, it has a lot of texture, and right now I will be using a nail dehydrator. This is very important because it removes any natural oils on your nails and skin, and this will create a better adhesion for the nail products that you're going to put on top. After that, we're going to be using a nail primer. This is another very important nail product, and you're going to apply a very thin coat of this on your natural nails, making sure that you don't overflood your cuticles or your skin. Whenever I apply my nail primer, I like to wiggle my brush, making sure that I apply this product even on the smallest crevices of my nails. Nail primer does not need to be cured under the lamp. You just need to let it air dry for a few seconds to a minute just to make sure that the product completely penetrated your natural nails. This will help us create a better adhesion for the nail products that we're going to put on top. After this, I'm going to be applying a peel-off base coat. This is optional. I only use this whenever I feel like I have to change my nail extensions or nail design after a few days. Since I create a lot of content for TikTok, I like using this for easier removal. This peel-off base coat from Cuticle can be air-dried or cured under the lamp. After that, I will be using a gel base coat, and I will be applying 2 coats of this, curing each layer for 60 seconds. I like applying 2 coats because I use this as a protective layer and it helps to even out my nails. So that's pretty much how I prep my natural nails for gel nail enhancements. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. You can also follow me on TikTok at Nails by Christine. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, just let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!